To add an HTML tag to a Wix website, you will need to follow these steps. First, you need to log into your Wix account and select the website you want to add the HTML tag to. Once you are in the Wix editor, click on the Add icon on the left side of the screen and select More from the drop-down menu. Then click on HTML iframe and drag and drop the HTML iframe box to the location on your website where you want the HTML tag to appear. Next, click on the Enter Code icon and paste your HTML code into the box that appears. Make sure to include the entire HTML tag, including the opening and closing tags. After you have pasted your code, click on the Update button to apply the changes. You can then adjust the size and position of the HTML tag by dragging the borders of the HTML iframe box. It is also a good idea to test your website after adding the HTML tag to make sure it is working as expected. You can do this by clicking on the Preview button at the top of the Wix editor. Adding an HTML tag to your Wix website can be a great way to add custom functionality and enhance the user experience. Just remember to follow the steps outlined above and test your website after making any changes. Best practices for adding HTML tags to a Wix website include making sure the code is correct and valid and testing the website after adding the tag. You should also be cautious when adding HTML tags to your website, as they can potentially cause issues with the website's functionality and security. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully add an HTML tag to your Wix website and enhance its functionality and user experience. Remember to always test your website after making any changes to ensure everything is working as expected.